Let's talk about ankle rolls and sprains. So last night I was playing in a frisbee game and I caught the frisbee in the end zone. My right foot came down, then the left came down hard with all my weight on like a metal rod or pole or something that slid out, and my ankle rolled violently really quickly. Did not feel great at the time, felt like some damage could have been done. I didn't think too much of it, continued playing, played the rest of the game, and ankle felt fine. I drove home, and by the time I got home, I stepped out of my car with my left foot and it did not want to support my weight. It hurt, it was sharp, I thought maybe something could be even broken. So I came inside and I did what I always do, I tested it out. All right, so gentle ankle cars, rotations, not pushing through any painful or like serious pain. So I'm going through ranges of motion that maybe are a little achy, maybe a little stiff, but not sharp pain. As I was going, I realized, okay, this doesn't seem that serious. There isn't too much swelling. I'm gonna keep moving it. So I kept doing more and more reps. I did some stretches. I tested some of this movement out in the way that it rolled. So it went like this. So I was gently pushing it in and out of that range of motion to see how it felt. Continued to improve, continued to feel better, and I kept that process up throughout this morning and today. And as you can see, there's not too much swelling going on. There's like a little mark and bruising around here, but it's nothing major. And this is for a couple reasons. One, right after, once I noticed it, I started doing movement to help with that recovery process. It's really, really important. Two, I train my ankles for this specifically. I literally train in this position. I do isometrics where I'm holding and I'm trying to push and strengthen all of this tissue. I do ankle cars. I do ankle cars with weight. I do them slowly. I do them fast. I get into this stretch, then I pick up and try to hold it. So a lot of my training for the ankles involves specifically strength training, extreme positions with a lot of force. So that combined with a quick approach after you get hurt is really important for keeping your ankles healthy as well as other parts of your body.